Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I'm doing a short video on knives. When I've helped people with organizing, I've noticed that people keep a lot of sharp knives. Many of you know that I tend towards being a minimalist, and I have figured out just how many knives I need in the kitchen to get by. I cook and bake a lot, and I use sharp knives constantly. I have 4 knives: a paring knife, a smaller serrated knife, a butcher knife, and a serrated bread knife. These 4 knives take care of all of my needs. I use Henkel knives that originated in Germany, but there are lots of good brands of knives out there. I spent $35 total for all of the knives combined. I've used the same knives for years, and I have no intention of replacing them. There are different qualities of Henkel knives. Some have 2 men on the blade, and some have 1, etc. Some are very expensive, and some are not. I don't buy the expensive ones unless I can find them on sale for under $20 or for under $5 at garage sales. Keeping knives sharp is more important than the actual brand. I keep my knives separated in one part of our cooking utensil drawer, and they are so easy to find when I need them. How many sharp knives do you have? How many do you really use or need? Maybe you can reduce the number you have and free up space in your utensil drawer as well. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.